Yeah, I haven't played Hunter since I got rid of the turns.
Yeah, that was the last time I played Hunter. Sort of. That's the last time I liked Hunter.
Back in WAD, I used to twink Marksman Hunter with the 100k crits.
What,
Oh my god, it was so much fun.
What level twink?
Defense stance.
Let's go.
No, when I say twink, I mean like I used to cheese in arena basically. Like I used to go with the Marksman Hunter and like the ranged executes. All right, let's go.
Blade storm.
Oh,
He's already blade storming. Fantastic.
I'm gonna be
You almost
out
hit me
of invis.
All right, now.
Okay.
Spell reflection. Intimidating shout.
Feared.
Reflection down. Rebuke. Avenging
I'm blocking.
battle strike.
Oh, I got a free stealth. Nice. Okay, reset.
They're just gonna wait.
Avatar.
2 seconds on
Die by
stun
the
for the
sword
warrior. You can happen.
Storm trinketed. 2 minutes. Sanctuary. War banner. Hand of protection. Reflection down.
Nice.
Protection
the bot.
down.
Nice. You can run if you want.
Nah, we got this guy.
Okay.
I think I have a vanish
Shield.
in case we
Banner
don't.
of shield down.
Still banging. Run, just run, just run. Nice.
Nice. Okay, I think I hit my cap. How do I get my